Today we have a Kinder Surprise egg to open. I wonder what's inside. Hi everybody, today we have Minnie, a wind-up toy. Look, she has a little car. Let's go ahead and take this off. And when she bumps, she makes noise. And we can wind her up and off she goes. She loves riding on her motorcycle. Today we're going to be going past the train station. Let's wind her up. I'll take it this way. Oh no! It looks like the train's coming and the bar has come down. She's going to have to wait for the train to pass. Choo-choo! Oh, it's a dinosaur train. Okay, it looks like this is our stop. Come on, let's go see what's around here. Sounds like a plan. Who was waiting for the train? I am getting on the train today. Me too. I'm so excited. I'm getting on the train today too. Here, I'll sit in the back so that Cinderella and Prince Charming can have the middle one. Here you go, dear dear Cinderella. Why don't you sit next to me? It looks like they're all ready to go. Say bye-bye, everybody. Oh, now we can open up the road again, and off Minnie can go. It looks like the train is coming back through. Well, that was such a fun ride, everybody. Don't you think so, Cinderella? Yes, it was really wonderful. You should go sometime, Minnie. Yes, that sounds like a good idea. Oh, and we sure had fun too, didn't we, girls? Oh, yes. It was a wonderful time. I do agree, Minnie. Sometime you should go too. Okay, it's time for us to get back on so that we can go to the dinosaurs. Bye-bye, everybody. Well, that looks like the last train, Minnie. It's about time for us to go home. Should I come with you? Yes, please do. Here, I'll sit back here on the back. Bye, everybody. Today we have a Kinder Surprise egg to open. I wonder what's inside. I can definitely hear something. There's our surprise. Let's open it. Oh, it's Hello Kitty. Isn't that a good surprise? It's Hello Kitty as a reindeer. Let's see what other kinds they have. She has reindeer horns on, and we have a sticker to put on our reindeer. Let's put that on right here very carefully. And there, Hello Kitty. Bye, her reindeer. There are other Hello Kitties you can collect too. And let's see what else is inside. We have a little winter scene. And there, Hello Kitty and the reindeer. Well, that's all for now, everybody. See you next time.